This is your ring master, Timothy Mouse. Now make sure your flight is safe one. Make sure it stays
Go.
safe. You can sink it off faster.
Elijah, Jude,
On,
Hudson,
and be sure to watch
Hudson,
your kids. To make
Hudson,
sure
Elijah, Jude.
just
Push the button to go up.
never like funny.
Hudson, Elijah, say hi. Oh, Grant, look.
Once again, Dumbo flyers. Please make sure you're facing all the way forward.
Grant, go up, press up, go up. Right here, press the button. Whoa! Go up! Granny! We're going so high! Elijah, Jude! Elijah, Jude, we're so high! Woo! Yeah, go down! Whoa, we're so high! Mia, look! Hudson! Hudson, look! Hadi, look! Mia, look! Hadi! Turn around, turn around.
It's so high.
Woohoo!
And babies can walk to the nearest station. Thanks for flying with the eighth wonder of the world, Dumbo!